Thank you very much. The Tourism Action Group is a group of individuals from the tourism industry in Fiji that are brought together at times of need to protect and promote Fiji's tourism interests. Earlier this year, after Cyclone Winston, that group was activated and worked with a series of initiatives around our global network to ensure that the momentum of tourism to Fiji was protected and continued. Amongst those many activities that took place were also a series of initiatives that allowed our industry partners to answer the question, how can I help? We ran in Australia, New Zealand and North America functions in which we achieved a couple of things. One was to remind our industry partners that we were back in business and ready to welcome visitors back to our home in Fiji, but also to raise money that would help those in need after the event. As we all know, for many, many Fijians, that recovery is still happening. And so I'm very, very pleased today, Minister, to be able to hand to you, on behalf of the Tourism Action Group, our donation to the Honourable Prime Minister's Disaster Relief Fund, a cheque for $200,000.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Well, thank you very much for this. This is very generous. In fact, I happened to be at one of those functions.
Yes.
In Auckland.
Yeah.
And it was quite amazing to see the large number of people who did turn up, and the large number of people who are stakeholders in the Fijian tourism industry who felt that they needed to contribute. I'd like to thank, of course, the entire team, including the team here at Fiji Airways, who actually facilitated these events where they were able to come and participate and contribute to that. It also goes to show that there are a lot of people who do care about what is happening in Fiji. We'd also like to take this opportunity to remember those people who are currently suffering from the flooding that we've had, in particular in areas such as Sigatoka and Suri of the River area. Our thoughts are also with them. But thank you very much. This, of course, will go to very good use through the Prime Minister's relief fund. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Naka.
No, thank you.